Welcome to Zack's pronunciation. You can pronounce this word in a couple of ways. The stress is on the third syllable in both the pronunciations. And there is a very slight difference in the pronunciation of the third syllable in both pronunciations of this word. Axolotl and the other is axolotl. Axolotl or axolotl. 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 Axolotl is a very unusual type of salamander that never fully grows up the way most amphibians do. It stays in a larval form for its whole life, which is why it looks like a baby salamander, even as an adult. Axolotl. Axolotl. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe Zack's pronunciation and check out other videos in the playlist for the pronunciation of other words.